Looking for web hosting that won't break your budget, but still delivers on performance and reliability? Let me introduce you to Ionos, one of the most affordable and powerful hosting services available today. In this quick review, I'll share what makes Ionos a strong choice and where it might fall short, so you know exactly what to expect. Let's start with the pricing. Ionos offers a Plus plan for just $1 per month. Yes, only $1. And for that you get unlimited SSD storage, unlimited websites, and a free domain for your first year. Now here's the catch. After the first year, the price increases to about $12 per month. Even then, it's still one of the most cost-effective hosting options out there. Now let's talk about security. Every plan includes wildcard SSL certificates, built-in DDoS protection, daily automatic backups, and GDPR compliance for data safety. Let's move on to performance. Ionos uses modern SSD storage and powerful web servers. This means faster load times and an uptime of around 99.9%. Perfect for small business websites, blogs, or online stores. But no host is without its flaws. Ionos doesn't offer free site migration. You'll either have to do it manually or pay extra for assistance. It also doesn't use the standard cPanel. Instead, it has its own custom dashboard. It's designed to be beginner-friendly, but some advanced features may take a little time to find. The good news is, you still get a one-click WordPress installer, and the dashboard includes a search bar to help you navigate faster. And here's something rare. Ionos offers 24/7 customer support, not just via chat or email, but even through actual phone calls. So should you choose Ionos? If you want powerful features at a very low price, and you're okay with a few limitations, then yes, Ionos is a fantastic option. To get the best deal, click the link in the description. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. And thank you for watching.